OMG, screens. Screens. They're everywhere and they're such a temptation. So let's talk about screen time with young children. I'm Kayla, a speech language pathologist in San Diego, California, and Penny and I are here to answer your questions. Did you know that average American family is watching 3 hours of TV a day? So let's think about it. If you add that to the other time on the screens like the phone and the tablet, sometimes that can be 5 to 7 hours a day, I read. By the way, Penny and I are sharing this from a free printout that you can get today. Use the link below so you can sign up and I can email this to you. If you're a teacher, if you're a speech language pathologist, excellent handout. This is just one handout from my book, How to Teach a Toddler to Talk, which is available on Amazon. Recommendations by child psychologists are including that for children 18 to 24 months old, if you want to introduce digital media, choose really high quality programming and use the media together with your child. Really avoid solo time. Avoid just handing the child the device and walking away. For children 2 to 5 years of age, limit that screen time to 1 hour a day. Yeah, 1 hour a day. I know. And there should be high quality programming again. And hopefully you're co-viewing, you're participating in this program with your child so that they can understand better what they're seeing and it becomes an interaction between the two of you. I challenge you to be a good role model for your young children and avoid your own overuse of screen time. You know what Penny lets me know when she's tired of me being on the phone? Yeah, I'm on the phone too much too. I'll be on the phone and she'll stop pawing at my phone to tell me, put it down and pay attention to me. So even dogs don't appreciate too much screen time. But I'm sending my love and blessings to you out there during the world. This is a very hard time in the world and pressures are high. I hope that this video provides you with information so that you can make your best choice. Please share this video, like, subscribe, and share. I'm Kayla Chaco. This is Penny. Happy talking. Bye-bye.